on, Rylie, you got this.
My legs feel like they're freezing off.
Wow, we are covered in feet of snow. Here's the cabin. Holy mackerel, I was not expecting this. I am on my way with Ellie here to go pick up Rylie from work. It's about 7 p.m. You ready to go up north?
I'm ready. We probably aren't gonna get to the cabin until midnight.
The big unknown is whether or not it's gonna be plowed. The snow is gonna be plowed up to the cabin. If it's not, we're gonna have to hike in.
All right, moment of truth, you guys. I am pretty hopeful. Ooh, actually no, the snow's looking a little high.
It's high.
Oh, please, please.
There's no way it's plowed all the way.
Oh my gosh, please be plowed.
This is our road right here.
Wait, how far does it go?
We just have to walk probably, I don't know, like 200 yards? It's not that bad. All right, guys, to give you a little sense of what we're dealing with, this is the way to the cabin. See how deep the snow is. Ooh, it's deep. We're gonna put on some snowshoes for sure.
Is it pretty deep?
Oh yeah. I'm gonna see if I can pull this sled and we'll make our way through the woods to the cabin.
Ellie, come on, you got it, girl. You got it. Let's go. Are we almost there?
We're almost, yeah, I can't pull this right now. We just gotta get you guys to the cabin. This is really brutal. I had to ditch the sled. Come on, Rylie, you got this.
My legs feel like they're freezing off.
The faster we move, the warmer you'll be. Just follow me. Ellie's gonna be fine.
I know, I'm just worried about it.
She's gonna be okay. Cabin's up there. There it is. Here's the cabin. Wow, we are covered in feet of snow. This is nuts. We made it. All right, come on in. Gotta start a fire. We having fun yet? I thought the snow was gonna be like a foot, maybe.
I've never done anything like that before.
Brings me back. We got a fire going. Rylie has a smile finally. This was a little more insane than I thought.
I feel pretty accomplished.
Yeah.
It's a good feeling.
It is a good feeling.
So the snow was up to here, you guys.
Yeah.
Like treading through snow.
Insane.
It was so insane.
And now I have to go get the rest of our stuff. Stay warm. Keep this place warming up. Love you. As you can see, now we have a nice trail, at least, to follow back to the car. Look how beautiful it is. So you can see all the stars and the moon. It is gorgeous. All right, back to the car. This is Riley's duffel. Now I gotta get mine. Oh, this one's a little heavier.
Look how crazy that is, you guys.
Rylie is steaming. We did it. We're here. Rylie's setting up a bed here on the couch.
Because there's spiders.
No. Because it's too cold in the bedroom right now. We are at 43 degrees in here. I think it's time to wind down and start afresh in the morning and hopefully be warm. Good night. I slept for maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours, after trying to get this place warm all night. It was negative 23. Negative 23 is pushing this stove beyond its limits. So what I inevitably had to do was shut this door, and if you go in here, it is ice cold in here. Shutting that door allowed us to bring the temperature up. But the problem is that we have no running water. Thankfully, we brought some right there. And we have no bathroom, which as a guy I can handle. But I don't know. I don't know about Rye. Say hello to the people.
No!
All right, so we have no bathroom, so we could pack up and go home, or we stay, baby. We stay. Now that the place is heated up, today will be a much better experience. What are your thoughts?
I think that I want to go this evening. Can we talk about this off camera for a second?
All right, after an off-camera discussion. We're staying, baby.
We're staying.
Yeah, so here's the plan. Riley's main concern was she wants a good night's sleep. Very valid. Now that we have it warm, I am confident that I can deliver a good night's sleep for her. And we're going to take the day to enjoy this place, but also I'm going to get the car packed up so that first thing tomorrow morning, we can get out of here.
We're staying, baby.
We're staying. Headed out into the brutal cold. We're going to take a little nip for luck.
Wow, straight from the bottle.
All right, guys, it's time to make a trip to the car. It feels so much better out today, even though it's still definitely below zero. The sun just feels amazing. And thankfully, if you take a look, we've got a nice pathway here to get back to the car. I want to take a minute, you guys, to just stop and appreciate how gorgeous the Northwoods is. If you take a look, you know, it is a completely different atmosphere from down just a little bit south where my little cabin is. It's just amazing. I love it up here. It's harsh, but man, is it awesome. Check out our lake. Absolutely covered in ice and snow. I would imagine there's almost 3 feet of ice on that thing right now. Very precious cargo to come back for. The chips. What happened in here? It's a little smoky.
Whew. Yeah, so what happened was the log fell out. It was on fire, and I got this thing and I was hitting it and I put it out, and then I stoked the fire.
Oh my gosh.
Pretty crazy.
Well done.
My wipes are frozen, so I have to defrost.
Well, guys, this is cabin living. What else can you say? I'm gonna take the old log carrier out and get us a load of firewood, and then I'm gonna relax. All right, guys. We're gonna take a bunch of this in. It's not split, however. That's not ideal, but it's burning just fine. In fact, it was this stuff that basically got our cabin heated up to 75 degrees. Beggars cannot be choosers. This is a good size. This will fit nicely. Oh yeah, look at that. That is a nice haul of wood right there. Just sling it over the shoulder. We'll take this inside. That is a nice haul. Thank you, log carrier. It is about 7 a.m. and the fact that I'm outside right now is incredible. Oh my goodness, look. What in the world? If you take in a breath of air, it's so cold it makes you cough. And look, my beard just keeps icing over instantly. The cabin is warm. We're gonna go back inside, have some coffee. So before we fully pack out of here, we're gonna do something that is pretty awesome that you can only do in weather and temperatures like this. And we're gonna watch as this boiling hot water literally freezes in midair. 1, 2, 3.
Woo! That was cool.
We do, in the frigid north. There she is. The car is in sight. It's time for the moment of truth. Will the car even start? We'll see. Oh. All right, let's find out. Yes! Yes! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh, that would not have been good. All right, I'm gonna load up the car and then we'll head back to grab the last of the stuff and get Rylie. You ready to go, Ellie? All right, so that is gonna do it for our frigid winter adventure up here in the Northwoods of Minnesota. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button if you liked the video and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.